Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you something interesting regarding Pinterest marketing. That is, if you're working on Pinterest to promote your products, whether they are affiliate products, print on demand, and etc., you need to create a Pinterest pin that gets audience attention and grabs scrolling eyes. And for sure, this process of creating attractive Pinterest pins is exhausting and takes a lot of time. So in this video, I'd like to share with you 3 different tools that will help you to create attractive Pinterest pins just in few seconds to promote anything you want. And now let's get started with the first tool for today. That is pingenerator.com. pingenerator.com. pingenerator.com is automation platform plus a generator platform. As you see here, generate pins and schedule pins to your Pinterest account. Okay. As you see, generate Pinterest pins from any URL from any website just in few seconds, as you see here in this preview. Okay, so if you have a look at pricing plans on Pin Generator, you will find here some pricing plans like free plan, free forever, and starter plan, and the business and enterprise. Okay, so we can of course use this plan, free plan. Okay, and regarding generating pins for promoting our products like affiliate products, articles, stores, and so on, simply after creating a free account here on pingenerator.com, go down here, and here you can insert your URL that you want to generate pins for. So if we are promoting some products of print on demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and so on, for example, and quickly like these products, so we can take this one, copy link from here, copy link, and pack to our pingenerator.com, and for sure you have removed this one, and paste and generate pins. Click over this green button, and in just a few seconds you will find here a lot of amazing and attractive Pinterest pins for promoting this product. As you will see, perfect, with different templates, and here you will find a lot of editing tools for these templates, for these pins, and of course you can regenerate more, or you can generate more pins from this. Click over there, generate pins. Then you will find different Pinterest pins as you see. Okay, here you can edit these templates, these Pinterest pins, simply colors and font. Of course you can change the palettes in these pins, pink, green, blue, yellow, and so on. Font color of these texts, image background, you can change it to make it gray, blue, and so on. Font type, as you see here, a bunch of fonts. Title, font weight, URL, font size, and so on. Perfect. And bin templates, instead of using randomized templates, you can use a specific template like this one, or this one, or this one, and so on. And for sure you have to remove or uncheck this randomized templates first. And for image settings, you can use randomized image from your website, from your URL, and contain images. Add your logo to your pins, your Pinterest profile picture, your website logo, and so on. Here you can upload your logo, your private logo. Here you can hide URL text like this one, redbubble.com, so we can hide them from your pins, as you see. Perfect. And here you can make bulk actions. Of course you can generate pins, and at the same time you can schedule them and automate them to your Pinterest account. Therefore you have to set a title of your all pins, that describes your design, your product. Set description of all pins. You have to insert your destination links. Perfect. And for sure I have talked about how to create title and how to create description of your Pinterest pin and the keywords and so on, and all of this stuff I have talked about in previous video. You'll find these videos below in the first comment. Anyway, and the best thing here on pingenerator.com, you can create a video pin or pin that contains videos. Here you can add videos to your pin. As you see here, you can search for any media, any video from royalty-free websites like Pixabay, Pixels, and so on that suit your topic and your niche. For example, we can search for fitness or coffee and something like that. Okay, and here we can get a lot of videos like this one, and just simply you can drag one of them and put in your bin as you see as a background of your pin, video pin. Okay, perfect. And of course we can try this one as you see, a video pin. Okay, and of course you can load more of these videos. Perfect. And of course you can edit these templates or these pins individually. Just you can click over this pin. Okay, and here you can change this text or this pin title. Okay, like this one. Everything here you can remove, so we can remove this one, the designer. Coffee is always active. Coffee is always active. T-shirt. And here's a destination link, and here's the pin description. Of course you can add here some keywords and some hashtags of your pin. Okay, as you see. Okay, just save, and when you are done, just you can click over that to download your pin. Okay, and for sure you can schedule this pin automatically to your Pinterest account or share it immediately to your Pinterest account. Okay, as you see. Okay, so the first website and the first tool for today is pingenerator.com. Let's move on to the second website for today, that is Tailwind.com. And for sure most of you know Tailwind to schedule your pins and organize your pins. And here you will find in Tailwind this amazing feature, Tailwind Create. Tailwind Create to create your post in different styles, like for Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook at the same time, attractive posts, and for sure including Pinterest pins. So after creating free account here on Tailwind.com, okay, you will be taken to this dashboard of creating post styles, Pinterest pin, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook at the same time with the same image or the same photo. And here you can upload your photo, your image that you want to promote, like photo of your product, photo, your article, and so on. Okay, or similar to the previous one, you can add the URL of your website that we have done before with Redbubble product. Okay, and here you can upload your photo. For example, you can click over that and upload this image. For example, as you see, you will find here a lot of attractive Pinterest pins of this photo of this image as you see. Perfect, with title and an amazing template and so on. And for sure you can make from the same design or the same photo other post styles like for Instagram and Facebook. Okay, as you see. Okay, and here you can change this text for all Pinterest pins. From that you can add here your title. Okay, like stay strong, for example. Here you can change its font. As you see, it's applied automatically to your Pinterest pins. Okay, perfect. You can add text as a call to action or subtitle on your Pinterest pin. You can change color palettes, your current trend colors like this, and of course you can change it to one of these beautiful color palettes like this one, for example, Dream House, as you see, just in few seconds. Okay, and as for branding, you can add your brand name or your website name on all your Pinterest pins. Okay, as you see. Of course you can add here logo, upload your logo of your website and your Pinterest account and so on and so forth. Okay, and when you are done, just you can select one of these beautiful Pinterest pins. You can edit. Okay, from this option edit, you will find here you can add images, video. Okay, and of course you can select some of them, like this one, select, and like this one for example. Okay, and this one for example. Then click over that, review designs. Got it. There you can download all these pins, or you can schedule designs to your Pinterest account automatically. Okay, so we can select this one, download all these templates, confirm download, as you see, in a zip file or a compressed file. Okay, and now let's move on to the last website for today, that is canva.com, where you can create your Pinterest pins just in few seconds with attractive Pinterest templates. How to do that? Simply on the homepage of canva.com, go to this one, social media, click over that. Okay, and go to the first option, quick create collection. Quick create collection, that means you can make from the same design of the same photo different post styles for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. So click over that simply and quickly. And as for today's video, we can create Pinterest pins. So we can select this one, Pinterest pin. Okay, and here you can click over that, continue. And here you can add your main message or your call to action or your main text. Okay, so like stay strong. Okay, continue. Then you can upload your image or your photo of your product, like this one, quickly. Okay, and continue. Perfect. And here you can select some templates, like this one for example, or this one. Okay, just to continue. Here you can change colors of this one. Okay, so you can select this one for example, as you see, and make it shuffle. Perfect. You can change the font of your text and the call to action, the title of your pins. Okay, from this option. And when you're done, just you can click over that, finish. Okay, and just download your Pinterest pin. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.